Excuse me while I harvest this kimchi. Gotta get it by the roots. Roots and recipes. Homemade kimchi.
Oh, break them out then, baby. Let's do this.
It's a beautiful day. Call the peeps to come out and play.
Future kimchi here.
I grew this Chinese cabbage, aka Napa cabbage, specifically to make kimchi. I figured I'd make them in small batches. I adapted this recipe from Emmy Made. She has great videos, check her out. After rinsing the dirt and mulch off of the cabbage, I cut the 2 medium cabbages into large squares, sliced a few breakfast radish I had left over, and then thick cut julienne, 1 large carrot. I'll add 1/2 cup of kosher salt and fill the bowl up with filtered water to cover the cabbage. Let that sit for about 2 hours. In a small pot, whisk 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and 1 tablespoon of sugar until it thickens, then let that cool down. And mix in 10 cloves of garlic that's roughly chopped, 1 small pear grated, 1 thumb ginger grated, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, and 1/2 cup Korean chili flakes. During the process, I went back and added 2 to 3 green onions cut into thirds to the cabbage and carrot. After the 2 hours, strain the cabbage mixture from the salted water. Mix with the pepper paste and stuff into jars. I added them to a large jar that was too big, so I moved them into smaller jars. Be sure to stuff down, removing any air pockets you can. I also have these cool little breathable lids and glass weights for inside the jars. Let them sit out and ferment for about 2 to 5 days.
Super fresh, crisp. Get the garlic, get that fish sauce, get the fermentation, get the chili, but it's nice and crispy still. There's that crunch. I imagine over time it'll tenderize a little more, but 2 days fermentation is pretty good. And then put it in the refrigerator, it will still continue to ferment, or just slowly ferment, Woo! Got a little kick to it. Put a nice little amount of spice. That's good. I want to try it compared to I have some store-bought in the refrigerator now. Let it sit for a few days and take it out and compare it. But you could pretty much really see the live cultures here. Woo! I like the thicker carrot. Not exactly like a julienne, but like a between a bâtonnet and a julienne, just a little thicker. I mean, they're all over the place, really, the knife cuts, but it's really good. It's really good. Definitely recommend. Woo! Got a little kick. I'm gonna put this back in here so it stays submerged. Eat some with din din. I will put the recipe below. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe. Help this channel grow. I can bring you some more cool recipes. This is an adaptation of another creator's recipe. I will give her credit below. Emmy Made. Kind of followed her step-by-step recipe, but obviously had to make adjustments according to what I have and what I like and stuff like that. So yeah.
It's a beautiful day, call the peeps to come out and play. Well, have a good time living the life of